Hi, I'm Steve. I'll show you what we got going on today. So this is our shaft kits in various stages of production. We buy high precision ground and polished stock. Comes in a long 20-foot bar. Cut it down to blanks. I take it over to the lathe and I hand turn each end to get a nice good finish. Flip it around and I get the other end. So let me show you what we got going on over here. So I've taken the time to hand make stops custom for this lathe so we can make all of our product very repeatable and maintain a high quality. So I get to watch every cut and every detail to make sure that I'm getting the best product out and there's no defects. There's a lot of work that goes into these things. It seems like a very overlooked portion of the upper control arm and coilover kit, but really this part deserves a lot of respect. There's a lot that goes into making this part, and the old guys really had something special when they were handcrafting parts. I'm starting to learn a little bit of that myself. So anyway, I hope you enjoy and appreciate the beautiful part of your upper control arm shaft kit and your coilover. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Have a good day.